back to easy nails. Today I have an in-depth tutorial explaining how to apply Gel X Apes nail system. If you are interested, then please keep watching, and I would love if you would hit subscribe button below. It's free. Here I explain and review how to apply nails easily at home and review nail products. First step is to use rubbing alcohol to remove dirt and oil from the nails. Then I go in with a HEMA-free primer. This one is from the brand Tiny and it is called Chewing Primer. I got this from Zillibo. It is an online store that sells Korean and Japanese nail products. I highly recommend them. Today I am using Apes Gel X short oval. The length is very wearable. They come in natural or sculpted. If your nail bed is more curved, I recommend to get sculpted. My nails are a little curved and I found that the short lengths in natural don't fit me the best, but if I go to medium length, even thought they are not sculpted, they fit well. Then I make sure to fit the nail size correctly to each nail. To do this, pick up the first nail extension, hold it on your nail, and you want to make sure that it fits completely from sidewall to sidewall of the nail. If you're in between sizes, it is better to choose the larger size and file the sides to get the perfect for your nail. You also need to see if you need to slightly file to cuticle areas to fit yours perfectly. This will also prevent lifting of the nail. Now, as I mentioned before, I lightly buff the surface of the nail and I use a dehydrator. I also use my dehydrator to etch the inside of the Apes nails. I use a brush to scrub the Apes nails until the surface becomes tacky. This helps with adhesion. Then I apply Apes sensitive gel to my natural nails and cure for 30 seconds. I take the same gel and I scrap off one side on the bottle to not have too much gel on the brush, and I apply a very thin layer to the back of the nail, only applying product to where my natural nail will be on the Apes nail tip. Then I take a very small blob of gel and apply it right at the cuticle of the Apes nail. I gently staring at the cuticle rock the nail extension on my natural nails at a 45-degree angle, working very slow to prevent air bubbles. I am using this Beetle's lamp to flash cure each nail so that I can work quicker. The lamp automatically turn on when you put your nail under the lamp. It works great for me. I also like the gooseneck LED UV lamps for flash curing as well. I flash cure for 10 to 15 seconds. After I complete one hand, I fully cure in my LED UV lamp for 60 seconds. I just learned this technique after finishing with application. Take a brush and use acetone to rub on the cuticle area. This slightly melts the Apes Gel tip to make the cuticle smooth. How to blend in the tip with your natural nail. I have yet to find a method that works perfect for me. I would love to hear what you'll like to do. And that's all. This is how I apply Apes Gel X tips at home using gel, and how I prepare the nail extensions and prepare my natural nails for the perfect nail extensions at home. Please subscribe and comment down below how you like to apply Apes or full cover tips.